What if I told you that your home might look clean, but is actually full of invisible chemicals, toxins, and residues that could be harming your health? You see, most of us believe that if the counters shine and the floors smell fresh, our homes are clean. But here's the dark truth. Those artificial cleaning products we rely on every single day may actually be leaving behind more danger than the dirt itself. So how do we fix this? How can you make your home not just look clean, but organically clean, without spending weeks scrubbing or buying expensive products? Why an organically clean home matters? Think about this. Every time you spray a chemical cleaner, tiny invisible particles stay in the air and settle on your furniture, clothes, and even your food. Over time, they can trigger headaches, allergies, and skin irritation. The power of vinegar, nature's secret cleaner. Let's start with one of the most powerful natural cleaners, white vinegar. This humble liquid can replace multiple bottles of chemical sprays. It cuts through grease in your kitchen, dissolves hard water stains in your bathroom, and even disinfects surfaces. Here's the trick. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of essential oil if you don't like the sharp smell. Baking soda, the forgotten hero. Do you have stubborn stains, bad odors, or grimy sinks? The answer isn't bleach, it's baking soda. This fine white powder is like magic. Sprinkle it inside your sink, your oven, even your carpets. If your fridge smells bad, place a small open box of baking soda inside. It absorbs odors like a sponge, keeping your home naturally fresh. Lemon, the natural polisher. Lemon isn't just for your tea, it's one of the fastest ways to achieve an organically clean home. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle salt on it, and rub it on your cutting boards or kitchen sink. Not only will it disinfect, but it also leaves behind a sparkling shine and a refreshing citrus scent. And if you toss lemon peels into boiling water, your whole house will smell naturally clean, without a single drop of chemical air freshener. Essential oils, nature's fragrance, without the toxins. Now let's talk about one of the biggest misconceptions: air fresheners. Those store-bought sprays might smell good, but they are loaded with harmful chemicals that linger in your air. The speed factor, how to clean fast. Now you might be thinking, all this sounds good, but I don't have hours to scrub with lemons and vinegar. Here's the secret. Speed comes from routine. Instead of waiting weeks to deep clean, spend just 10 minutes a day focusing on small areas. Declutter. First, clean later. Here's something most people don't realize. Clutter attracts dust. The more objects you have lying around, the harder it is to clean fast. That's why the first step to an organically clean home is not cleaning. It's decluttering. Pick one room, take a basket, and remove everything you don't need. Less clutter means less dust, less bacteria, and more open space that feels fresh. A clean home equals a clean mind. Here's the part we often overlook. Your environment affects your emotions. When your home is cluttered, dusty, or filled with artificial smells, your brain subconsciously feels stressed. But when your space is naturally fresh and clean, it calms your mind, reduces anxiety, and makes you feel proud of your surroundings. So achieving an organically clean home isn't just about hygiene, it's about mental peace. The truth about fast organic cleaning. The biggest myth about cleaning is that it has to be hard, tiring, and chemical-filled. But the truth is, with simple natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and essential oils, you can achieve an organically clean home, fast. It's not about perfection, it's about small, consistent habits that protect your health, save you money, and give your family a safe space to live in. So the next time you pick up that bottle of artificial cleaner, ask yourself, am I really cleaning, or am I just covering up the dirt with chemicals? And if this video inspired you to see cleaning in a new light, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Remember, a truly clean home isn't just spotless, it's organically alive.